subscribe with me. Hopping into this video, we got the Canon Rebel. Right here, say. Do you feel it? Do you feel it in the air?
Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boys of All Vibin', back at it again with a brand new video. So it is 2018, first video of the new year. I'm excited. I'm back. Sorry, I haven't uploaded in a while, but like I said, I'm back. I'm gonna be posting a lot more, especially with this new bundle I just got here.
I'm gonna say cut before you go. I'm gonna say cut.
This is the first video of 2018, so Happy New Year to all you guys. I'm hoping to make this my year, just like everyone else has been saying, but really, I'm trying to make this my year. Okay, so to start off, we just picked up this camera, this bundle actually.
Ready, go!
So today is January 12th, we're 12 days into the new year, right? 2018. Alright, so it's 2018, I just picked up this new camera here. I haven't unboxed it yet. This is what this video is for, as you guys can see by the title. And so you guys will be here getting to unbox this with me. So later on in the video, once this is all unboxed and whatnot, I'll show you guys the different audio levels and the footage, and also some features and what I hope to do with this new bundle. I am a broke boy now, so hopefully this is a good investment. Alright, so starting off, this box is a decent size. In the bundle comes two lenses, the 18 and 55 millimeter lens, and then there's also a 55 to 250 millimeter lens. It also comes with a pretty handy bag and a memory card, and then the camera itself. So let's start this tape. Be right. First time, like I said, I haven't opened it yet. It's pretty nice. So first things first, I got this bag. Like I said, gadget bag, 300 VG. It's pretty nice. I'll take it out of the bag for you guys. Here we go. It's pretty nice. Got a handle up here. A lot of different sections. I like it. We also got this SD card, 32 gigabytes for the new camera. That's nice as well. This will come in handy, even though my mom already has a lot of these. I've seen them all around the house. But we got this. So I was like, where's the other lens? It's probably on the camera. So like I said, it came with two lenses. This is the first one. It's EFS 55 to 250 millimeters. So this is for like longer shots or farther shots. This will be pretty cool. It's cool. I like it. It's a $300 lens. An extra $50 is what I paid for this in the bag, including the bundle. So let's take this out as well. Here we go. This is the lens, like I said, 55 to 250 for the farther shots. The lens cap here. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Like I said, this is for your like farther shots. So it's for my farther shots. All right, so here is the actual body of the camera, and attached onto the camera, I think, is the other lens, which is the 18 to 55 millimeter. So I'm excited for that. Let's see. Here we go. Got some manuals. Got another manual. Register something. And we also got a CD. So that's nice. comes with a strap to like put it around your neck. This is nice. I like this. Got some bubble wrap. It's for my sister. She can pop that later. And then this is the actual body of the camera. So I'll get up closer so you guys can see. Is it focused? Alright, so this is the actual body of the camera. This is the little cap to protect it. It's smaller than the one I'm recording with right now, which is good because if I want to vlog or just be out and about, it's lighter, which I like. And then also here we got the mirror, so it flips out here, it rotates over, so if I'm vlogging like this, I'll be able to see myself. And then you can go here, and when I'm done recording, I can just flip it back so it's not scratched. So it does come in handy. There's a little grip right here, which is good, and a deep grip back here, which is pretty neat. I'll get more in depth once I start recording with this, and I'll show you guys right now. So we got this battery for the camera. This is the lens. We got a charging cord here. We got a charger here. And this is the 18 to 55 millimeter lens. So it is smaller, you guys can see. This is the more close range compact lens. So this is mostly going to be my lens for vlogging. On the camera that I'm recording with right now, I wasn't really able to vlog, like recording my face because I didn't have another lens. So this will be good. I'm proud of myself for purchasing this. Hold on. Alright. So this is the lens. It's a little smaller. Just a close up. Here you guys go. Alright. Let me see. I'm going to put the battery in this. Hopefully it's charged. And I'll show you guys what it looks like.
Fast forward all of this, right? Okay. Top Porsche, rolling on my wrist, diamonds up and on my chains. Ah, gotta be straight.
Oh, you have to push it back. Okay. Alright, so we got the battery here. This is a little different from the previous batteries. Boom, plug it in. Let's see if it's charged. Oh, it is. Okay, so you have to set up all the settings. I'll do that later. So I'll just press OK for now. No card. Oh yeah, it's in here. Like I said, it is pretty neat. There is no card and the battery is low. So like I said, you just flip it out here, turns on, and then for the vlog, you know, boom, just hitting it here, getting all the angles. So this is pretty cool. Alright, now I'm going to hop into the footage and the audio levels and whatnot. So I'll record it with and without a mic, and then I'll change the lenses up and just show you guys some different angles and just the specs of this camera and how neat it is. So be right back. So I took the SD out. We got the SD card here, and as I put this SD card in, so when I first had the other camera that I'm recording on right now, it was on my birthday in 2017. I was making my first video. It was my first quantum leap video, and I was trying to put the SD card in, and I remember I wasn't really sure how to do it, and my mom was busy doing something, and I had just tried to force the card in, and it ended up breaking pins inside the camera, so we had to call Canon, get the camera replaced, and it was just not wow. Okay, so the focus on this is insane. Wow. Dang. Okay, so as you guys can see, It'll autofocus, which is way better. Once it autofocuses, okay. So, alright, so as you guys can see, I just turned on this camera, and looking at the footage on the screen, this looks way better. One thing I'm going to have to work on is not so much looking at myself, because I'm not directly looking at the camera like I am now. So, one thing I might do is actually just, whenever I'm vlogging, wear sunglasses like Casey Neistat, if you guys know who that is. So he wears sunglasses. If you guys don't know, he's looking at the screen. Meanwhile, you're supposed to be looking at the camera. So like I said, this quality is way better. It's autofocused as well. So as I move, the camera moves with me. So like I can do like a 360 like I am right now, and the camera moves with me. But then switching back, so I'll just flip this screen here, and I can see when I'm recording, right? In my room, this is all the mess I've made. But yeah, the quality is way better. And I think once I attach my mic on, I'll do that here right now. Once I attach my mic onto this camera, I'm gonna have the complete setup, which is just what I was going for, so that's great. I'll catch you guys when I put on the mic. Peace. Alright, so I just added in the new mic. Hopefully you guys are able to tell that I did add in the new mic. The audio should be better. That's what I'm going for. The mic is one more thing. So this is going to be a separate video. Most likely this is going to be like an unboxing video. You know, just unboxing the new camera and whatnot. Tomorrow, this video should be uploaded if I edit it right after. And tomorrow I'll be vlogging. Throwing some hints at you guys. I'll be working out tomorrow morning, Quantum Leap, and I might be going for pizza for a birthday party. So if I do go to all three of those, like I said, I'll catch you guys there in tomorrow's vlog. So thank you guys for watching. If you did make it to the end, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new, join the pack, and comment what you guys think about this video. Alright, peace. Yo, what is going on, guys? It is your boys of 11 back out of the game with a brand new video. This is the first video of 2018, so thank you guys. This is the first video of 2018, so I'm hoping to start new things, become bigger, and just why are you doing that? It's 2018.
Cut! Who cares? Cut!
Yo, Happy New Year.
I have it written down. That could be one of the bloopers that Mom